guys doing? We gotta go. We got to go. We're going fishing. Let's go. Come on. What's up, guys? That's right, we're going fishing, taking you along for the journey. First time going out this season. I know, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Ice fishing is not my cup of tea, but fishing's fishing, so we'll get out there. Hopefully get on some fish, meeting up with O-Train and T-Jack. You've seen them in the earlier videos. So what is going on here? This guy's all stopped in the middle of the road. What's going on? Oh, I forgot to mention. Did you see what I'm wearing here? Good old little Viking eyewear sunglasses. Yeah, look pretty sharp, huh? Not too bad, not too bad. Make sure you guys go check them out too. They got some good shades out here. You can get yourself a pair of these bad boys, or you know, anything else. They got plenty of color options, lots of models. Polarized for all you fishing freaks out there. So make sure, go get yourself a pair. Alright, no more of that crap, right? Let's go do some shopping for some fishing bait. And let's go hit the frozen lake. Made it to the bait shop. T-Jack and O-Train.
This is special. We've never been to one of these before.
Never been to a bait shop before?
He's being sarcastic.
Oh. He's sarcastic.
Look
at all that, huh?
It's actually really nice.
Yeah, it is a nice bait shop. Yes, sir. Perfect. So if you guys are ever up in the Minnesota Alexandria area, make sure you guys go over to Christofferson's bait shop and check them out. They got lots of, that's the first time I've ever been in there. They got everything you'll ever need for fishing. Decent prices. We picked up some minnows, and the other two renewed their licenses, so we are good to go. So stay tuned. We're here. We're at the lake. We're just drilling some holes, looking for some fish. I don't know, and I was getting some shots with the drone. Gonna be getting that sunset. It's happening right there, so it's gonna be good. So hang tight. See if we can't find ourselves some fish.
Over there to see if they caught anything.
Oh, they had an ice house.
There's a lot of action here.
Some fish?
So, yeah.
Explain what's going on here.
That's the top. That's the bottom. Anything in between, we got action.
We got action.
Action. Everybody wants a piece of the action. Really shallow. That's pretty fucking epic.
That is
Basically the most inefficient way to do anything. We're doing it.
Alright, Owen. Explain to us how we lit our heater here.
How we what?
How we lit it.
Well, we used our small inefficient heater.
This one. Right here, this that thing right there.
Called
Oop,
little buddy.
it just fell
Just
off.
shows how quality it is.
I'm gonna hold that. We used the heat off this thing, or Owen did, and we lit it. Don't try it at home because it makes a big gas ball. And not the good kind that comes out of Taylor's butt.
Man, this is deep as
Whack!
I know.
Watch your language.
Yeah, I mean, normal fishing would have been here for like 10 minutes. 5 minutes.
Yeah, not even if you had cast it a few times. And well, that was disappointing to say the least. Wasn't very well lit in the little ice house. What is going on here? There we go. All right, but it wasn't very well lit, so I didn't get a lot of footage. I got some. Taylor and Owen have kind of a potty mouth. What is going on with this thing? Huh? So, but I didn't get a lot of footage. I don't understand. We'll have to hold it, but yeah, I mean, it's been the first time out this season. There's a reason why I don't really sincerely enjoy ice fishing, is because of the lack of movement. You sit there and jig a rod in a hole, just dangle it down into one hole, and not a big fan. Not a big fan at all. But it's fishing, so you gotta do it, right? Gotta give her the old dangle. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry it wasn't very action-packed. We'll get you a more action-packed video hopefully soon. I'm not gonna tell you because it's a surprise, so you'll just have to stay tuned. Till next time, make every cast count, or I guess for today, make every hole count. You can figure that one out. But till next time, see ya!